Welcome back, everyone. Today I am going to attempt to pick open the Pin Makers of the World Unite lock number 3 here on video. I have picked this once before off video. I think it was probably my third or fourth attempt. It's definitely not an easy lock to pick by any means. 7 pins. All pins are custom made by people all over the world. I know before I did a video on shortly after I received it and went over who all made the pins. If I am successful in opening the lock on this video, I will gut it and I will associate each pin with the maker. So for now, I am going to go ahead and try to get started on this thing here, and we'll see how this turns out. I've got the camera positioned right in between me and the lock, and this is like really awkward for me. I'm also used to only picking padlocks, so I hand hold everything. I even hold a lot of mortise locks in my hand. So anyhow, I'm gonna try not to breathe too hard into the camera. Okay, I'll stop that. So, pin 1 is nice and loose. Pin 2 does not want to move. Barely have any tension on that. Okay, there we go. I'm able to move 2 now. One. Number 3 does not want to set. There we go. I believe that was pin 3. Yeah, that was pin 3. Move on to 4. Yeah, pin 4 does not want to move. Ease up off the tension. There we go. I'm getting some counter rotation. I know I'm going to overset this thing. Oh, I think I may have got it. Yeah, and the last time I picked this open was, I think it was at least a couple weeks ago. That might have been 6. Yeah. Let me see if I can get 7 to budge it all. I think I overset that. Oh man, I hate holding my arms this way. Yeah. There we go. That was pin 7. Pin 6 does not want to move. 5, 4, 3, yeah, nice false set there. There we go. Had some more counter rotation. Another false set. I really think 7 is set. So I'm gonna start going back again. Maybe if I can, there. Jabbing stuff into my elbow, because that's always comfortable. Yeah, none of these pins are wanting to move at all, so other than the first, but I think that's just, I believe the first is, yeah, the first is set, it's just falling. Oh, there we go. Got some counter rotation there. Trying to remember if I even had this thing. I think I was hand holding this when I picked it open off camera. Oh, there we go. Got another false set. That might have been, I believe that was pin 3, which I believe possibly dropped back down once I set 7. Okay. Pin 5. Not wanting to budge. Let's see how far. Sometimes my picking style feels like an advanced form of bitch picking. Oh wow, yeah, I just got it into falset just by joking around there. So let's see here. I would have felt bad if I picked it open by bitch picking it. Having to hold my arm like really far out, and so it's not the most comfortable position. I normally I'll hold my vise that's holding my camera. It's just a clamp on hobby vise, and I'll normally hold that between my legs while I'm sitting on the couch watching TV with a cat sitting on my legs, and I guess I'm good and comfortable and find it easier to pick. Yeah, this lock is oh, there we go. Yay! That's awesome. Yeah, just over 10 minutes into the video. Oh man, I'm so happy. I seriously thought I was not going to be able to get this while trying to do it on video. So now I can happily ship this out to Trekmaster 30 after I screw up the gutting here. So let's see. And of course I don't have any those special pliers to remove the rings, so I'm gonna have to gouge my hand open here. I'm not even sure how I'm gonna do this without I don't want to screw up the finish of the lock. But I am gonna get yeah, I've got an unfinished tension wrench here. It's, used to be a main shaft of a T-Rex 450 helicopter. It's one of the high carbon steel ones. I just screwing around with it one day, and yeah. So I'm gonna stick that there if I can get it to fit. Good Lord. I figure with all the hand tools I have, I'd actually have something that could remove these rings. I'll go for it this way. Last thing I want to do is destroy the finish. Actually, I guess the last thing I want to do is gouge open my hand. I've done that before. Obviously, I've never been inside this thing, so you know I didn't modify it to pick it open. You know what, I'm going to pause this video so it doesn't get too incredibly long, because I think I've been working at this for over 2 minutes now, so I will be right back. Alright, I finally got this ring off. Kind of mangled it a bit, but I'll see if I can get that all straightened out before I put it back on and send it out. Yeah. Okay, I'm not going to worry about the ring at the moment, so let me reposition my camera here. I definitely need to get the right tool for the job, because yeah, I mean, I mangled this ring here. I'll make it nice again though. Let's see. Obviously I wasn't very hopeful that I'd get this lock picked open on camera, because I am not prepared to gut a lock. I just recently got these plug followers from Sparrows. It was when I purchased the stuff for the giveaway, and I am really liking these plug followers. I've only gutted a couple of my locks with them, but definitely a lot better than what I was currently or what I've been using in the past here. So let's see here. Yeah, looks like that takes the bigger. I don't know, it might take this. It's got quite a bit of room. Oh, nasty T-pin there in the back. Yeah. So I am not going to oh, it looks like 2 T-pins. And that one just fell out. Yeah, before I screw this up, I am going to get those T-pins back in there. Wow, those are nasty. Okay, I'm totally screwing up this gutting here. There, I'm just gonna do this. That's the back. Try to lay these out the same way. Yeah, I recognize that pin. I have no idea what this is hung up on. Damn it. Yeah, I really should have stuck a shim in here right away. I meant to do that, I just was not thinking. You know what? I don't want this video to be a half-hour long. So what I'm going to do is, I feel like I'm going to rush things and I don't want to screw up this lock. So I'm going to cut this video short here, and I'll see if I can get this taken apart more gracefully off camera, and I'll post a video of all the pins. Yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone who made the pins for this lock. I'm going to do my best here to get this thing taken apart and put back together. But I will see you guys around next time. Like I said, thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay legal.